Guy Towers, Speedway. You're a little bit older than me as well. I've just noticed you've got a little bit of a hobble on. So what we have organised is a bit of R&R, a bit of therapeutic healing for you.
Excellent.
Yep, so...
It's needed, Baz. Hello.
Kia ora.
Hello.
Kia ora. Come in,
Phil,
come in.
nice to meet you.
We're just going to start off with a little mihi whakatau just to welcome you to the whenua here in Wellington. Kia kōrua, ko tai mai nei, I rungi te kaupapa o tēnei wā, tēnā kōrua, nau mai, hara mai, whakatau mai. Ko wai au, ko pāringaringa te moana, ko maunga piko te maunga, ko te reo mihi te marae, ko Ngāti Kuri te iwi, ko Ngāti Muru Kahara te hapu, ko Rewiri Hongi te tupuna, ko Jolie Davis tōku ingoa. He oi anō kua rahi e nei kōrero moku, tēnei te mihi atu ki a kōrua, tēnā kōrua, nau mai, hara mai.
Kia ora kōrua, ko maungarangi te maunga, ko tara te aua te whakatohea te iwi, ko Ngāti Ngāhere te hapu, ko mā tātua te waka, ko Dominic Uatuku Maxwell tōku ingoa.
My name's Phil Tufnell. I come from the UK. Used to play a little bit of cricket in the day. Pleasure to be here and looking forward to what's in store for us. I feel better already.
My name is Brendon and I currently live in Mirimiri in New Zealand. I've got 3 kids and I used to play a bit of cricket as well. And I'm actually becoming more and more fascinated by our Maori culture as well. We've already spent a little bit of time in the show, learning a bit more about it, and I feel a little bit embarrassed that I don't have as much information as I should being a Kiwi, but it's certainly something I'm looking forward to learning more about and I'm really excited about today as well.
Awesome. Kia ora. Tēnā kōrua. Thank you.
Midi-midi. What is actually midi-midi?
So you pick one. What we're going to start off doing is just tapping. Mirimiri literally means to stimulate and to agitate. You know when you see the haka being done and they're like,
yes,
they're doing this is what they're doing, getting energy moving.
How did I not know that?
Firing up the body. It's not just to look pretty. There's a misconception that mirimiri is massage, and that's not true.
Got my bone.
Oh,
laughing touch.
Oh, yeah, got my bone as well.
You don't hit your ankle. Experience is held at a very deep level in the body. So we're taught to work at a level that's very close to the bone.
Oh, jeepers.
Like you're...
So imagine if there's 5 levels to the body, like the soft tissue. Level 1, level 2 is where massage works.
Oh, you got strong thumbs.
With Kai Romiromi, like myself and Dominic, we'll tend to work level 5, level 6. Tenderising you, Phil, we're tenderising you, because we understand that that's where the body holds the majority of pain, hara, trauma even. Yeah. Are you still playing cricket?
No. Oh, that's sore.
Yeah, that's what we need to work out. So we're going to put you both on a table.
And is this also not only for soft tissue, it's sort of like for the whole sort of...
It's holistic, yeah. So we believe that through the body, everything can be treated or acknowledged. Emotional stuff, mental stuff, even spiritual stuff can be treated through the body.
A lot of people sort of say back pain can be thought pain, right?
Oh yeah, it doesn't always have to originate from an injury, you know. A lot of people who lack support have lower back pain. What I noticed with you and Brendon is you both can drive yourselves pretty hard, eh? You just got to take your foot off the pedal.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Using a stone, I can get in quite deep where I need to go.
Yeah.
Well, it's not going to tickle, we'll put it that way.
Okay.
Ow!
Just give me a number here out of 10.
That's an 8 or 9, that is.
Or you might be a bit black and blue through here when I'm done with you.
Oh, jeepers.
You can thank me later.
Oh, far out.
Oh, wow. Got it. You sure went crack.
Oh, it's so good. I haven't been able to do that for about 10 years. Can I get your card?
I think Poriru is a bit far from the UK.
I'll come back. Gee. I'm like an owl. I've already got words for that person.
Mate, I thought,
It was amazing.
It's better than amazing. It's one of the best experiences I've ever had, I think. Thank you very much. Holy crap.
Did really well.
That was amazing.
20 years I've played professional cricket. I've been to all the spas, all the best, you know, physios in the whole world. I have never had a, whatever that's called, experience, all told, body and mind and cleanse and whatever, like that in my life. Thank you.
She's like
Amazing.
special powers or something.
It was amazing, Baz. For a start, I've had this dodgy ankle, haven't I?
Yeah, you have.
Yeah, and it feels so much better. It was just my back, my neck. Look, I could turn myself right round. And also, she touched my jaw, and she's gone, oh, wow.
Eyesight's been getting weak too because of this.
Yeah. Because I have been wearing like 1.5s or something, you know, just to read and everything.
Yeah.
And she went right in there like that. And honestly, I feel like my eyes are wide open and clear.
Yeah. Oh, I don't doubt it for a second. Hey, people probably think we're absolutely wacky here, but...
If they do, go and have a midi-midi with that lady there, and I can guarantee you.
That's right. That's
all you can say.
That's all you can say, mate.
And I feel so much better.
That's great. That's great. Well, to be fair, you've put yourself under some...
Well, yeah.
And I may have put you under a little bit of pressure at times throughout this campaign, but...
Yeah. I tell you, on the golf course, I'm either going to be hitting them 350 yards or I'm going to be asleep.